Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking a room tour of this beautiful hotel. As you can tell, when we first enter, we get to see a very good glimpse of ourselves, and then we have all the very important stuff, so a very nice fridge over here. And then as we come over here, this may look like it's only for like a couple bedroom, only 2 people, but if we come over here, this looks like a normal couch, right? If you lift it up, you can see that there is something here to use. So if I take this thing off,
No, that's okay.
and over here, you can just completely just take that thing out right there. And then over here, we have the bed, and then we have the bathroom over there. And then, here's the best part of it all. The balcony is the most best part I could probably ever see. And to be honest, I think we really did get a good view. Because we have we can see multiple things right here. We can see the mountains, we can see the buildings, we can see the cars. We can see the beautiful lake. And I really thought this was the ocean at first, but it's a lake, and it's humongous.
What lake is this, Isabel? It's Lake Geneva.
It is quite a beautiful lake, I would say. And people like swimming here, but definitely don't do it in the fall or summer. I mean, the fall and winter. Definitely try to do it in spring or summer, because those are times where it's going to be better and way more warmer.
What is out there all the way there?
That is
France.
I've also been to Paris, which is the capital of France. It's very beautiful. Recommend totally getting over there. I see some people who are boating over there. Very, very beautiful. Like, I would really love to try that. Maybe I might be able to try that. If I do, I will definitely show you guys.